What's something you like? English भी नहीं आती यार इसको. Yeah, that's so. We don't irritate. Don't irritate. My sister is here for moral support. Actually, since this is my first vlog. Hi guys, my name is Alia and welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. I know this is my first ever full length YouTube video. I have posted a few shorts before. If you're interested, please check them out. So I know I have not made an introduction video yet. I'm planning to do that soon and you will see an introduction video soon on this channel. But for today, we have a haul video. My sister just came back from Germany and she bought some super cute stuff. So I thought, why not make a haul video out of it? So without further ado, let's just get started. The first thing that I got is this Sol de Janeiro kit and this smells so good. The packaging also smells so good. It smells like cupcakes. Yeah, that's what it smells like. So this is a travel size pouch. I have seen this on Nykaa too. They sell this travel sized kit. So I'm not sure if that's available right now, but if it is, I will link that below in the description box. Next up we have, yes, we have Barbie earrings and this is a Barbie necklace. It's so cute. I'm not sure if it's focusing right now, but yeah, she got it on sale and she thought like I'd like it, and I do like them. It's super cute. Yes. Next up we have this YSL Libre Intense perfume and this lasts forever. Staying power on this one is amazing. I feel like this is a very strong perfume. This is definitely a nighttime perfume. If you want to try something different, something very strong, I think you can try this one. You can buy a smaller version and then if you like it, maybe go ahead and bring a bigger version for yourself. Also, we have two samples. She got them free with the YSL Libre perfume. So this one is Jardin and this one is The Ritual of Sakura. So these are full size. I don't know what is this actually. What is this? Next up we have this super cute summer dress and this has cherries on it. Looks really cute. I mean it is kind of transparent but you'll need to wear something white inside it. Yep, that's the dress. Then we have this cute little denim skirt. Yeah, I wanted a denim skirt and all of these pieces are from Primark or Bershka in case you're wondering where the clothes are from. Then we have these socks. They have cute little teddies printed on them. Yeah, I wanted socks and yeah, these are super cute. I do wear shoes a lot on regular basis and I do need a lot of socks. Do I need a lot of socks? Yeah. Next up we have this cute little skirt. I'll probably go on a vacation soon and that is why I asked her to buy me some cute skirts and this is one of them. This one is super cute. It has some flowers printed on it. Next up we have, oh my god, where I don't know where do I even, okay. Next up we have this top. Oh my god. Yeah, I think this is trending all over Instagram. This has bows in the front. I don't know if you can see it. Oh my god, this looks so not aesthetic. Yeah, this has bows on it. It looks super cute. Yeah, you'll see when I wear it on Instagram. My account is locked. You can't follow me on Instagram. But if you probably ping me here from YouTube, I will follow you back. for sure. Next up, we have a white tennis skirt. I'm damn sure I'm gonna flash people. You should be like, hey, this is so cute. No, I'm not gonna do that. You can pair it up with a normal t-shirt or even a cute crop top and shoes. It's gonna look cute. Yep. Then we have, then we have, then we have, then we have this crop top. It's a size bigger for me. I would probably need a, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Clothing tape? Yeah, I'd need a fashion tape for this one because it's a size bigger. It's my mistake. I asked her for S. It's supposed to be XS. Yep. Next up, we have some carpenter jeans, or we call them balloon jeans. I'm not sure if you get them on Zara, H&M, and online stores in India. But yeah, I saw my sister wearing them on a Instagram reel. So I asked her to buy me one. It's super cute. And yeah, this is quite in fashion right now. I can't link any of them down for you guys. But if I find anything which is at least similar, I'll try to link them down. Again, post a picture, video somewhere here. Yep. Next up, we have a cute little top. Yeah, this one is super practical, and I'll tell you why. Because you don't need to wear a bra inside this. This has built-in cups, so you can just wear it just like that. It goes with everything actually. So yeah, I'm sure you'll find something similar here in India too. Next up, we have the most popular, a cargo jeans. Yep, this is a cargo jeans. Actually, this one is a low waist jeans. Apparently, low waist is back in trend right now. I mean, I have a lot of pants which are high waist, but this one is low waist, and this one is from Pull and Bear. This one is from Pull and Bear. Yep, she bought it on sale again. Most of these pieces are from the sale section. Yep. Okay, I don't know how am I supposed to show this to you guys, but this is what size? Full size dress? It's not a full size dress, no? Knee length dress? Not even knee length. Huh? Shin. Okay. Next up, we have this dress. It's a shin length dress, and this is super cute. You can find something like this on Savannah, Banik, Zara, H&M. Yep, it's cute. It's nice. उतना ही इसके लिए कुछ बोलने के लिए है नहीं. And then we have some lingerie. I was actually not planning on showing lingerie here, but then again I was like, why not? Let's just do it. Who cares? Everyone needs lingerie. It's fine. And yeah, I do have few underways, panties, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, they have like these, and these are the smoothest and softest underwears ever. These are the softest chaddis ever. Okay, softest chaddis. Like that, your original. How you ऐसा बोलेगी तो मेरे को कोई सब्सक्राइब नहीं करेगा भाई. मैंने पहले से ही प्रिटेंड ही मारा है. अभी पूरा असलियत बाहर निकल के आ रही है मेरी. The pretending stuff is gone. It's a set of 3. Super nice, super soft. You can actually find something similar on Marks and Spencer and also H&M. They also have something similar if you want to buy something like this, like with this pattern. Next up, we have some tongs. I'm not going to show you. I'm just going to show you like this. I don't want to show it. ऐसा ऐसा करके ऊपर ऐसा 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 करके नहीं दिखाना है. ऊपर ऊपर से दिखाऊंगी मैं. Yeah, these are tongs. I don't know why I bought them. I don't wear thongs actually. This is the first time I'm going to try them. I've heard that they're super uncomfortable. So I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I might actually, like them. I don't know. The main purpose of these thongs are that you can't see the panty lines, on in your like the trousers. When you wear trousers, jeans, dresses, you can't see the panty line. So that's good, I guess. And then we have बिना हैंगर निकाले ऐसे ही चोरी करके लाया हुआ माल. Yeah, but we have bras, a set of three. Again, these are padded. I think these are push up. And yep, that's all we have. Oh, I forgot. We have something else. We have something else. Yeah, we have another bra which is we don't have these. What do you call them? This is strapless. This is actually a strapless bra. Very, very practical. We all need strapless bras. Yup. Next up we have these New Balance 550 and these are in lavender color. I've already worn them like twice or thrice and they're quite dirty right now. But yeah, these are super comfortable and cute. अच्छा है. Nice. बहुत अच्छा है.
Hi guys, my outro video got deleted unfortunately, but if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, click on the like option and also hit on the notification bell so that every time I post something on YouTube you're notified. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye.